Between Metum Nobi. Mommy, I'm making again come. All the mommies in the house, please, I want to applause for yourselves. All the mommies in the house, big up all of Monaka. The single girls, if you are here and you are single, please wait for me. Thank you. Wait, we will not scatter this thing. Okay, if you are here and you are single, only the single girls, wait for me, please. Wait for me. If you are here and you are single, something is about to happen to you today. If you're a man here and you are single, please, can you wait for me? I'm going to try wave, man. I'm not too proud. Or maybe not in a complicated relationship. Brother, do you want to wave? Do you want to wait for me? Are you married? And I said, if you are single, wave. Are you in a relationship?